Good morning, students. Today you will learn lesson 12, reproduction in plants. So let's see what is reproduction. All the living organisms, including plants and animals, have the capability to produce new individuals during their lifespan. This process of producing a new organism from the existing organism or the parent of the same species is called reproduction. The new individuals produced are the copies of their parents. The process of reproduction is one of the important life processes and is essential for the continuity of the species. Thus, reproduction makes the life continuous, which is not only essential for the survival of an organism, but it is also very necessary for the preservation of the species because it increases the number of members of a species. So let's start with reproduction in plants. So as you know, children, plants have two kinds of parts: vegetative parts and reproductive parts. As you know, the vegetative parts are the root, stem and the leaves. So these are the parts of the plant that play a major role in the life cycle of a plant, such as preparation of food, transportation of food, water and nutrients, etc. So the examples are root, stem and leaves. Reproductive parts. These are the parts of the plant that play a major role in the reproduction process in plants, for example, flowers and the fruits. Modes of reproduction. The various parts of a plant, such as roots, stem and leaves, each with a specific function, is called vegetative parts. After a certain period of growth, plants bear flowers. These flowers develop into fruits and seeds. The parts of a plant that participate in the process of sexual reproduction are called reproductive parts or organs. In plants, the reproductive parts are flowers which may have the male or female part or both the parts on the same flower. Different organisms reproduce in a different way. In plants, there are two different methods of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So let's see the definitions, or let's understand them. Types of reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants can be categorized into two types: asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. The new plants are produced without using the seeds. In this process, generally the leaves, stem and roots participate in reproduction. Sexual reproduction. The new plants are produced with the help of the seeds of a plant. In this process, the flowers of the plant participate in reproduction. So let's study about let's see the diagram here given root and shoot in a plant and various parts of the plant. Shoot. A young plant is often termed as a shoot. Generally, a shoot is regarded as a part of the plant which has stems, leaves and flowers. Node. It is a part of the stem or branch of a plant from where the leaf arises. Vegetative buds. Sometimes buds are present in the leaves that are capable of developing into shoots. These are called vegetative buds. So by seeing this diagram, you can understand the different parts of the plant. So you can see the root system, shoot system, lateral branches in the roots, taproot, the stem, then the leaf, blade and the petiole, vegetative shoot, apical bud, internode, node, apical bud, reproductive shoot, that is the flower. And the total, which the part of the plant which remains above the soil, is called the shoot system, and the part which remains below the soil is called the root system. All these things you have studied in lower classes. I am showing it to you in this video so that you can understand better the asexual mode of reproduction and the sexual mode of reproduction in plants in a better way. So This is all for today. Thank you.